Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is January the 31st, 2024, and I'm out here in the old greenhouse, and we have some brand new seedlings here. These here are some celosia seedlings. And we have some different seedlings back here. So we have started our seeds off here. We have some different celosias. We have some exanthemums, some snapdragons. We're growing the Lucky Lip snapdragon this year. That's a very beautiful snapdragon. It's real pretty, like white with sort of a magenta and a really beautiful color. And we have some other ones that we're growing as well that we had from before. And we have a new type of carnation here. This one here is the raspberry red carnation. It's brand new. I never grew that color before, so I'm really excited to see what that one there looks like. And we have our onions down here. Now these flats are going to be coming off the floor. My floor is heated, so that's my germination mat. And we have some more onions here. We have lavender over here. Yes, you can grow lavender from seed. I'm going to be doing another updated video on that and answering more questions because I get asked a lot of questions on growing lavender from seed. So I thought, you know what, I'll just do an updated video. So I'm going to be doing one of those. And we have some more onions over here. These are going to be coming up to the shelves up top. We have some different stuff over there. We have more onions over here. And then our pansies are over here. These are just starting to come up. So we're going to be putting up what we need to onto the shelves. So I brought my Spanish lavender in for the winter time because I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B. And it will not survive out in our climate over the winter. And you can see it's blooming here. It has beautiful blooms on it. I've been cutting the stems from this. And Spanish lavender has a completely different type of bloom than what your English lavenders do. This one here is just getting ready to start blooming right there. It's a little further behind, but these two here are doing really well. And this does have a little bit of a different scent to it. This one's more of like a minty scent. And I just seen the Christmas cactus blooming here. That's an original Christmas cactus there. And that's blooming. So that's pretty to see. Those are really pretty. And our Carnations back there are blooming. So we've been getting some Carnations off. And the Martha Washington Geranium, that's blooming. So that's pretty to look at. And this greenhouse is heated, and we do have our grow lights on. We have them set on timers. I'll have a link down in the description for the grow lights that we use. And you can check those out. So we're getting some early crops of different things started off here, and we're kind of behind on the pansies, but we did get them planted, and some of the varieties that I grow are a little earlier blooming, so they'll kind of fill in till the other ones start blooming. And we did have some ranunculus forms that we left in the second greenhouse, and they actually started sprouting on their own, so they're growing themselves. And those were planted, and then we're going to be starting the rest of the ranunculus corms off, and I'll do another video on that. I learned a few different things, so I'll be talking about that in my new video that I'm going to do on growing the ranunculus corms. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and have a nice day. Bye!